Today we're going to take these beautiful fall apples and turn them into a delicious apple crisp made with no sugar. So I have washed our apples. We're going to chop them into small pieces and add them to a bowl. So the recipe calls for 6 apples. I had a couple small ones, so I chopped up 7. I used a variety. We've got a Amish store here that has a lot of different apples, so I picked a variety up and mixed them together just to add a whole lot of flavor. And we're going to add 1.5 teaspoons of lemon juice. This will help bring out some flavor and keep them from turning yellow. And we're going to add 2 tablespoons of monk fruit. This is a sweetener. So it's monk fruit with erythritol. It's granulated sugar and it measures out the same as sugar. We're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. And then we're going to add 1 drop of cinnamon bark oil. This is very potent, so you don't need much, but it's going to add a beautiful flavor. Ooh, we got 2. That's okay. And we're going to add 2 drops of clove oil. And then we're going to mix this all up. I did choose to leave these peeling on the apple as that's where a lot of the nutrition is. We're going to take an 8x8 pan, spray it a little bit, and add our apples. And try not to make too big of a mess. Spread those out. We got lots of beautiful apples. These will settle down. Take another bowl and we are going to add a cup of oats, old-fashioned oats. We're going to take a cup of flour. I'm going to use some Swerve brown sugar. It's sugar replacement. We use the Swerve. It's got erythritol in it. Add that. I'm going to add a teaspoon of cinnamon, a pinch of salt, and 1/2 cup of butter. So I partially melted this. They said to eat cold and would work, but I've always done it with melted butter, so we're kind of going half in between. And then we're going to mix this. This is a lot of toppings, so I think I am going to opt for a bigger pan. This ended up with a larger volume than I expected. I'm going to start sprinkling this on top. We're going to bake it in the oven at 350 for 40 to 45 minutes. And we'll be back when it's done. So the apple crisp is done. nicely golden brown. And now comes the true test, the taste test. I haven't made this recipe before, so here we go. This is very good. Yes, this will not last very long in our house. So nicely sweet, but without all the calories that sugar has. Found value in this? Click like, hit subscribe. We're making more videos all the time on different ways to use essential oils in your health and wellness journey because they don't do you any good just sitting on the shelf. Thanks for joining me.